Next up, the 72 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Ontario orange over black. That's a color you don't see very often.
No, you don't.
It's very rare.
If you see an orange Vette from the 70s, it is Ontario orange.
Yeah, it's almost a burnt orange.
Yeah,
right?
it's right. It's not a bright orange.
Not bright, not Tennessee orange, or orange, as Kathy says, orange. I say. It's numbers matching 350 LT1 V8, 3 owners from new, numbers matching Muncie M21, numbers matching 350 as well,